How to turn off autoplay on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can turn off autoplay on YouTube. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to launch your YouTube application in your mobile device. Now once you have opened up your YouTube application, you will land on your home page. Now head towards your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now here tap on the settings icon at the top right. And once you land on your settings page, you have to scroll down a bit, and under video and audio preferences, tap on playback. And on the playback page, there is an option as autoplay next video. If that is toggled on, in order to turn off the autoplay, all you have to do is turn off this toggle. And with that, you have turned off autoplay on YouTube, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.